Hey guys, Andre with JuiceWorks 3D here. We just finished building our Prusa MK4S kit to join the rest of our Prusas back here at the Academy. But in running the calibration, the X-axis test was consistently failing. And as simple as it is, we believe we found the best fix. No, maybe not. So the test failed again. And according to that frequency, the belt tuner tool that measures the frequency, we dialed it in perfectly, but we suspect that the belts are just too tight. So we're gonna run the self-test again. We're gonna loosen the belts just a little bit more, and let's see what happens. Just backing out these motor screws. Just a hair. I mean, that's pretty loose. Our MK3S pluses are way tighter than this. So let's move this carriage all the way back over. Let's bring it all the way back. Let's rerun the test. See what happens this time. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. So if you're consistently failing your X-axis test, loosen up your X-axis motor so your belt is not as tight as the Prusa Belt frequency tool recommends. There's definitely a disconnect there. We nailed the test on the frequency tool, but that was too tight for the test. So hope this helps, guys.